Hello everyone, my name is Sachin. Welcome back to Cloud Computing video tutorial series. Cloud deployment models is the fourth video in the series. Here we will talk about different cloud types which are public, private, community and hybrid. Let's recap on what we learned in our last video. We discussed three cloud service models: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service and software as a service. We discussed their features and examples. We also compared them against each other. In this video we will see four cloud deployment models which also can be thought of different cloud types. Cloud deployment models are defined at the bottom layer of the NIST cloud computing model. They are also known as cloud types. These four cloud types are further distinguished on the basis of three factors. 1. Where are they hosted? 2. How are they accessed? And 3. Who is the end user? Each cloud type has unique features which distinguishes it from other cloud types. Each organization has its own service expectations from the cloud. Also, they want a particular level of control on the cloud environment. This is achieved using different cloud service models as we saw in our last video. We know that each service model has its own set of requirements and benefits. Organizations evaluate carefully and then decide suitable service model and cloud type as per their requirement. Let's now see the meaning of each cloud type and its features. Public cloud. Most people think about public cloud when they are thinking about cloud computing. In public cloud, all the systems and resources such as infrastructure hardware, software, applications and databases are hosted at third-party cloud service provider. Cloud service providers manage all the systems, software upgrades and day-to-day maintenance. Client organizations only take care of applications or software in case they have installed it on cloud systems. Public clouds are usually accessed via secure internet connections. Since public cloud resources are virtualized and shared by many organizations, the cost is also shared among them. This reduces the total cost significantly to organizations. Some organizations avoid using public cloud because the data is no longer on their premises and they worry that there could be security issues. But remember that most cloud service providers have extremely secure cloud platforms. Private cloud. Private cloud is also called as an internal or an enterprise cloud. It is hosted on hardware systems located at organization's own data center. Organizations have the complete responsibility for the management and administration of all the systems which are part of the private cloud. They also have to take care of any software or client applications installed on cloud platforms. Generally, private clouds are accessed via LAN or WAN connectivity. Remote users can connect to cloud using VPN over internet for security purposes. Entire cost needs to be borne by organizations because the cloud resources are not shared with others. Private clouds are generally used by large organizations which may already have their own data centers and IT expertise. Here all systems and data are hosted on private data centers, hence it is more secure from organization's point of view. So they can host important or confidential data on private clouds securely. Third type of cloud is community cloud. Community cloud is little bit different than public and private cloud. This is due to the unique requirement of organizations. Some organizations have a common interest or mission. Few members of each organization form a community. They want to share their work privately with other members of the community who may belong to different organizations. They want a cloud which is more secure than a public cloud. Also, they don't want to have complete ownership of building and maintaining private cloud for community members. They want to share responsibilities, cost and ownership with other members as well, since it is a joint project. In such cases, community clouds are used. Community cloud can be thought of as semi-public clouds which are accessible over internet by selected community members only. Community clouds are not very common. Hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is a combination of two or more private and public clouds. In hybrid cloud, each cloud is a separate cloud but linked with other cloud for data exchange. Some organizations require feature of public as well as private clouds. For example, they may want to host sensitive and confidential data in their own data centers and are ready to move some applications to external public cloud. Hybrid clouds give more flexibility to organizations because they can decide which applications can be hosted on public cloud and which applications can be hosted on private cloud. This helps in fulfilling business objectives easily. Due to design complexity, it is more difficult to build a hybrid cloud, but once properly designed, hybrid cloud turns out to be more beneficial than others. Let us now compare public and private cloud on the basis of their features. Hosting. In case of public cloud, all systems and resources are hosted at third-party cloud service provider. In case of private cloud, they are hosted at organization's data center on premise. Responsibility of systems. In case of public cloud, the responsibility is with third-party cloud service provider. In case of private cloud, it is with the organization itself. Virtualization and resources sharing. In case of public cloud, virtualized resources are shared with other organizations. In case of private cloud, resources are virtualized but they are not shared with other organizations. Cloud access. Public cloud is accessible via internet, while private cloud is accessible via internet or also using VPN. Multiple clients. Public cloud supports multiple clients. Private cloud is dedicated to single organization. Confidentiality of hosted data. Public cloud is preferred for less or non-confidential data. Private cloud is preferred for more confidential data. Expenses. Expenses are shared by many organizations in case of public cloud, hence reduced cost. In case of private cloud, it is to be borne by single organization, which is much higher cost. Let us summarize. NIST has defined 4 cloud deployment models: public cloud, private cloud, community cloud, and hybrid cloud. These are also known as cloud types. Each cloud type above has pros and cons. Different organizations have different requirements and they choose a cloud type which is cost effective and meet their business objectives easily. Large organizations prefer hybrid cloud because it offers features of public as well as private cloud both. Cost of ownership varies based on the cloud type adopted, so it needs to be properly selected. These are the keywords which we encountered in this presentation: public cloud, private cloud, community cloud, hybrid cloud, cloud access, hosting, LAN, WAN, and VPN. There are 4 major drivers behind success and adoption of cloud computing. They are business, system, technology, and cost. In our next video, we will discuss each one of these. Stay connected.